brush with SpongeBob.
Hi guys, so here's my mom.
Hi.
And yeah, do you want to explain what's been going on with your hair and what you'd like?
Well, basically I'm a person who just doesn't really care for hair. You know, I've had a fro, nice size one, but I'm just lazy with taking care of it, to be honest, because I'm into my turbans and I'm into my wigs, and I don't do much with my hair. So I wash it maybe once a month and I moisturize it daily, but lately it has started to come out around the edges and then in the back, so I have like patches now of hair that has come out. And so now I have my lovely daughter who's going to sort that for me.
And long story short, she's finally going to listen to me. We've been telling her to start watching these two YouTubers called Lydia and Alma. So yeah, you should check them out when you have some spare time.
Yeah.
Drum roll, please. But my mom has some lovely thick hair. I think her main thing is she doesn't moisturize her hair. And just FYI, it is 4C. Would you say it's 4C textured?
Girl, I got Brazilian.
I see like it's quite matted, and I can see there are like patches which are shorter than the rest. So we're gonna moisturize her hair and then give it a cut, not a trim, a cut. So I don't want to see any comments about how I did a big trim. It's a cut. Alright?
Make me look like Halle Berry.
We'll see what we can do.
Tell me to close my eyes.
You see me with a bottle, what, you going to leave it open? Holy water. Bath time. Ooh, child. The desert.
Alright, making it rain. Ah.
See, as I add the moisture, her hair, the knots are coming out. Yeah, so guys, just to be clear, this isn't like a tutorial or anything. It's just my mom was like, can you do anything with my hair? And I thought, well, it'll be a challenge. Because also her hair is a shorter length, I thought it'd be interesting to see what I could do with it. Heaven be with me. So I just thought moisture is the first thing my mom needed. And then I just started cutting off chunks of hair, and yeah, took a risk. I used to cut hair quite a lot when I was younger. I studied it and everything, and then yeah, it's been years since I've cut hair. And one thing I was never taught in the school I went to is how to cut my own Afro hair. So yeah, it's so much more different cutting our hair because you have things to deal with like shrinkage, and like when my mom's hair was wet, the hair stretched more and it was easier to pull, but when it dries, it looks like different lengths. So it was interesting, and it was cool that my mom let me explore, and I made it out alive, so it wasn't that bad, eh?
All the money I'm paying, I need coffee.
You ain't paying a dime. You are not paying a dime. For giving birth to me, I'm forever in debt. 16 hours of labor. Special ones take time to come. Stay still now. Alright guys, as you can see, the cuts is now complete, but we still need to style her hair. Can you see her bit?
A bit.
How's it look?
Style it first. I'll let you know.
I'll be $8. Incoming! We're just gonna put some moisture. Relax, huh? Relax.
Relax. I ain't got nothing after here.
Now some curl defined mousse. Let's see if this works. So how I had to.
Okay.
Ooh, I need the whole bottle. We gonna need some more. Maybe brushing it will help.
Do you know what the hell you doing?
I know what I'm doing.
All these magic potions. I don't need all that stuff.
Gel, that's it. Gel. Maybe a blow dry?
Now, see, that's what I don't have patience for, all that stuff.
What is gel?
Hell, you putting on me? Oh my Lord, I can't believe it's Freaky Friday. I look like Halle Berry. You did it, girl.
I know.
No,
I work with Halle. Right. So we're all done here. What do you guys think? You look like Halle Berry, Mom.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah,
I knew I had it in me.
What in you?
The Halle look. Thank you for bringing it out.
Very welcome. Love you.
Love you.
That would be $19.99. That'll be $19.99.
Oh my God, I forgot I have got to go get my son from school.
Oh, please.
Lord, they'll bring my purse.
I do that too.
Please click and subscribe for Alma and Lydia's channel.
It's Lydia and Alma.
Lydia and Alma channel.
Lydia's always first.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye.
It didn't record, Mama. Quick, say it. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Just joking.